Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to calculate the weighted average. Here we can see that the student of the assignment score and weightage, also task and quizzes and project also. So this course is out of 100 marks and also this in percentage. So how to calculate the average? So we can use a formula like equal, right, sum product bracket and select the scores. I have select the score number and then comma, and then we can select the percentage numbers and then bracket close and enter. Here we can see that they are calculated in numbers. So how to change this number in percentage? So go to number and then go to percentage here. So they are changed into percentage. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.